I'm going to show you how you set up your payment now for you to receive your payment in the event you start selling. So after we are done with uploading everything, the next thing is how to set up our payment so that once our money comes in, we can click our money and withdraw it. You can see at this point you can have your seller preference here. That means how you want the money to come in, whether through PayPal, Stripe, or whatsoever means. Now in case if you can't see it here, don't worry, I'm going to show another option here. You come to this point that say monetization, you scroll down, you see payout settings. When you click on payout settings, it's going to bring you all the available options for you to fill in the necessary information. So the page is open. You can see you have 3 stages. You have your address, your payment method, and whatsoever extra things that you need. Within few minutes, it should be done. You have your email. Put in your correct email, your phone number, your first name, your middle name, your last name, your street address, second street, if possible, city, country, and the rest of them, and your zip code. So make sure this information tallies with the information you have your identity card, so that in the event they want to verify anything, it's going to be easy for them to clear your money. So after filling the information, when you click next, they will bring you to this very other option where you fill in other relevant information. You click on this wire transfer or check. So you pick any one of your choice. Then you complete the relevant information, put in your name, your bank name, and other relevant information with your zip code, your bank city, and the rest of them. So in this case, the information I'm going to put here will be the name of the bank street, the bank address, the bank city, and zip code, and other relevant information. They say add additional bank information. So you can decide to add any additional information. So you see, in this case, from what you can see here, transaction fee wire is so amount, 25 USD, and the rest of them. So what the account I'm going to put here is going to be my dollar account, not Naira account. Remember, dollar account. So I'm going to be logging into my dollar account as I earlier showed you guys. So after the first stage of the address, the next thing is our payment method. You select the payment method, you select wire transfer since you are in a country where you don't have direct access where they can send you check. Come here, you pick your own currency. In this case, I'm going to be picking euro because euro has provision for sort code. So I'm going to copy the account number. I go to my platform here. This very platform, you have the link in the description box for you to sign up to get $5 sign up. So when you are done, it's going to give you your account number and the rest. You click this very point, you get to see your euro option. Then you have your account number here. This account number, you copy it, and then this is your sort code or swift code. This is the swift code. In this case, come here, place the account number here, then you see swift code. Look at it. They said swift code 8 to 11 digits. So this is the swift code. You copy it and put it here based on what you have here. Look at this swift code. Then once you are done, you will now put in the address. The address here, this address is located here. You can see it, Clear Junction. That is the name of the bank. Your home varies. So this is the name of the bank. You can see Clear Junction. This is the address. This address, you copy it down here. This very address here, you copy it. Then you paste it here. This is the address. This is the address, and then the country. So when you're done, you'll be congratulated with this particular option telling you all is now set. Wow, hooray, we are good to go. So at this point, you are done with everything. I believe you get value for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to keep a date as I continue to bring you more options. Don't forget, at the last stage, you are picking check-ins because look at what they say here. Check-ins should be your primary target. They say checking account are considered transactional. So this is a transactional account. You pick check-ins. So thank you once again for being here. More will be coming. Don't forget to check the channel for more other content.